Hi, hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about breadboard. Breadboard is a very basic electronics, and most of new beginners want to learn about breadboard and they get stuck how to use breadboard. So today I'm going to show you how to use bread. Yes, here we have the breadboard here. So this is the breadboard. So this breadboard is used to connect electronic components, uh, mainly for when they're doing a testing of a new circuit or design. Breadboard is very essential to do a testing so that you can, as many times you can remove a component, rather than soldering it. It makes very difficult, but here you can just, I'm going to show you this. You're going to just plug in here. See, you're going to just plug this into this hole and then remove it as many times you want. So this is possible in breadboard. So mainly for people who are doing a design or trying to take some reading, it's very useful for them. So I'm going to show you how does this breadboard design. Okay, the breadboard is designed in such a way that the top here, these two lines will be connected. The hole here, let me use a pen to show you that. Okay, I'm using a pen here to just show you the hole here, and this and this and this and this and this, and let's call this a row. A row here is connected like this, straight up to here, up to here. So this is part 1 and part 2 line. This is a different row. This is not connected till the end. So this row starts from here, connected till here. This again the first row, this is the second row. So the first row is again connected. They are all interconnected, which means this hole and this next hole, these both are interconnected inside. So when you're going to plug in like this, so when you're going to plug in here, like here, you are just taken the connection from there and you can carry that to another point here, right? So these holes basically are used to make connections. So these things we have seen, mainly this row is used for power supply. Mainly it's like you will see in a new breadboard. This is typically very old breadboard, but the new breadboard will have a plus and a minus here, just to indicate to you that you can use the plus for your plus voltage and for your minus for the negative voltage. So it's not mandatory that you should follow that, but if you follow that, it will be easy for someone who's going to come here and take a look at your work. So he will find it very easy. So these are rows. I said even the bottom one, this is also, let's say this is row 1 and row 2, this is row 3 and row 4, same way. These are all interconnected like this. Row 4 and row 3 is connected like this up to the center here, and this again is interconnected like this. Okay, and this is, let's say this is row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, and this is row 6 and row 7 and row 8. So this is in horizontal row wise. This is column. So these pins are connected like this. Like you can see this here. My mobile is not focusing it in that good enough. It's not good enough. So I'm showing you here this written A, B, C, D, E, F. So just for you to know. And here 1, 5, 10 is written here. 10. Then 20. So you can use these are interconnected, these are not connected, these are interconnected column wise. Like this is interconnected, this and this have no connections, only this and this has connection. So this is connected, this is connected, this is connected like this, like this, like this. So again this is also connected like this and this. So suppose I have to connect like this, I'm going to connect it like this. So another wire is required to connect this pin here. So instead of you holding the pin like this, and doing a circuit, instead of you holding a LED like this and the connector wires. So your two hands won't be enough for that. So to do that, you're going to insert this, and instead of you holding it, you're going to put this. These are called jumper wires. This is a male jumper wire, and you also have a female jumper wire. So this is a male jumper wire. So let's quickly do a circuit diagram here. I'll show you what. Yes, this is the circuit diagram. You have a 9 volt here and a resistor, and this is an LED. So let's use this circuit diagram. Let's connect these components in the breadboard. So I have an LED here, I have a battery here, and I have 1K resistor here, and a battery flip. Yes, yeah, let me do the connection here. Okay, let me connect this. I'm going to have this thing here. I'm going to use my plus, and I'm going to use my minus here. Okay, let me put this here. So I'm going to take my plus from here. I'm going to just put up somewhere here. I'm going to use my LED here. So you know, I'm going to use the plus. The longest term is the positive here, so I'm going to use it like this. The negative. I'm going to use another jump in. I need a resistor. I'm going to use a resistor here, and then I'm going to use this here. Yes, I'm going to use my connect mine. Let's see, the LED will glow. Yes, the LED is glowing here. Maybe it's quite dim because this battery is almost used, so I'll just use this for the YouTube making video. That's it. We have done the circuit here, so we may we may use more components. If you want to use a transistor here, you can use a transistor here, and if you want to use an if you probably wish to connect an IC, you can connect it here. So connect it here like this, so that this part is separated and this 4 is separated. If you have 8-pin IC also, you can use it like this, and one pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, so you'll be using like this. So this is just a separator. So this column starts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's a separator, and this is separate. So you can use a button, push button. If you want to use a push button, you can use the push button here too. Yes, you can use it like this, so that's it for the day. Hope you enjoyed. Yes, okay, that's it for the day. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any doubts further, you can write to me in my comments below. I'll reply to you, and do subscribe to my channel, and share the video to the more electronic manias. And the next video I'll be showing you how to do is soldering. So catch up. Thank you. Bye.